So today we are going to learn how to check the performance. And in simple words, let's say you have developed a component and your application is loading very slow. It's taking time to perform some operation and you are in doubt what exactly is the cause. Now, in such situation, you may have a thought in your mind that maybe is this an issue with the Salesforce or any of your platforms? Or is this the issue related to your custom component, your code? So here I will show you how to monitor the performance related issues. And I'm sure after this, you won't be having any doubt. So let's start learning how to monitor performance. I have the two buttons here, do something and do something faster. And I will show you that how I can identify that my the issue is related to the custom component. Okay, or you can say how I can identify the root cause of slow performance so that I can improve and I can change, I can modify my code for a better performance. First I will click here in the inspect and I will go with the performance. I will clear this and I will record. I will click on this button. This is available here as well. This is available here as well. And I will make sure that my checkbox screenshot is checked. Why? Because I will be showing you the importance of checking this checkbox when I will be matching or I will be checking the particular frame. So let's start. I'm clicking on this button here and I'm clicking on the button. As soon as I will get a result here, I will click on stop. Took 5,639 milliseconds. Now let me maximize this. Now you can see here when I'm hovering here, it has some the screen, or you can say pattern of my application, right? So that is why this checkbox is important. Now it's a very you have to be very when you're working on such thing, you have to be very uh, your concentration should be made there only, so that you can get a right pattern. It's very important. Otherwise you may land into a wrong conclusion or a wrong the investigation. So as you can see here, when I'm hovering here, there is some change, and just put an eye in this the image which is in this section. You will see some image when I'm hovering here. See here, it is coming, going, coming, going, right? So just keep your eye here, because as I hover here, first of all you will see that the button color is not a dark red, but here it's a dark red. It's changing into a dark red. That means I brought my mouse here and I pressed this button, right? I click this button. So okay, so this is the position where my button color is changing. So I will click here, and as you see, as I clicked, I got two gray color bars. So I will put my first the bar here, Okay, let me drag it here. Let me check it again. And let me stretch it. First of all, I have to fix the position, the right position of this. Little bit towards my right side. Now it is okay. And let me check where I am. See here, no result, no result. And here I got the result. Got it? Let me. Okay. So now I have this frame. Now, when I have everything ready with me, you can see this red color triangle shows some performance issue. Correct? Now, what I can do is I can see something is repeating. Now, before that, let me, scroll this up and it will show me the summary here. What is taking more time? So scripting is taking more time as compared to rendering, painting, system and everything. So the scripting taking is more time. Now let me click on the bottom up. And in the bottom up, I can see the maximum time is taken by run expensive loop, right? So, and if I have to just to verify it, then correct. There's something is repeating again and again. Every time it has some different, the milliseconds time taken. So let me click on this because this is, the total time taken is very much, and it shows, the in percentage as well. Let me click on this, and it has opened my code here. And on this particular, the second, I mean, if you go here, 5637. So if you calculate all this, it will be same. And I can see inside the for loop, this parsing is taking place. And because of this, it is taking more time. Now I understood that this is, the place where I need to change my code. Okay. And run expensive loop is the function here, right? So one thing I have seen here, and I found that this is the place, and this is the exact line, which is the, which is making the performance slow, and it is taking this much of time. So I have to change my code here. Okay, let us see one more example. Do something faster. Same process. I have to create a pattern here. So first I will check whether where exactly the button color is changing. So here is the button color is changing. and then I am getting my result here. Correct? Button color is changing. Okay, so right frame I have now. Correct? Now let me so it is not showing anything. I mean, any the performance related issue. Okay, but if you want to see the code here, see here we have the run optimal loop. This is repeating again, and let us see how we can now check the code. So this is repeating again, repeating. So this is something, this is a, I doubt that this is a, and one thing, now I don't have any red triangle, which I have shown you in the, the previous example. This, so let me, do one thing. Let me click on it. And here as well, you can see here, function is example1 loop, right? And the scripting time is 21 seconds. Okay. So one way is that you can click here and your code will open, run optimal loop event, which is, the you are seeing here is repeating. Another way is you can go in the bottom up and click here. And you can see this is a run optimal loop. And here you have the code, which is, the taking few milliseconds. So hope you have liked this the video, and you will be now utilizing it to check your performance related issues, and then you can change your code as per the best practices. If you like the the troubleshooting, then please put a thumbs up, and I will be bringing more content, more interesting content very soon. Take care.